wanna dance with you, twirl you all around the floor. That's what they invented dancing for. I just wanna dance with you. Hi, I'm Lisa, I'm the Ukulele Fool. We're going country on the ukulele today. This song was made popular by Strait, and it was written by John Prine and Roger Cook. You can do this on the ukulele with these chords, not too hard. And then if you're playing a baritone ukulele, these are the chord fingerings that you're going to need. In this tutorial, I'm going to give you 3 strumming options. Super easy, easy, and one that's definitely harder. I will talk a little bit about the D chord and the D7 chord, and then I'm going to do a play along without lyrics, so a practice session, and then I'm going to do a play along with the easy strumming, not the super easy one. Grab your ukulele, let's do this together, and grab a chord chart. I've got a link down below in the description box and also in the comments. Because this is a country song, there is an emphasis or more volume, loudness on beat 2 and 4. So you can do this easily with just down strums, but you've got to give 2 and 4 some weight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. I have a little trick that makes that easier for you. Instead of doing a full down strum on beats 1 and 3, I only play the top 2 strings, sometimes just the top G string, and I think of just doing like a little bounce on my strings. Bounce, down, bounce, down, bounce, down, bounce, down, bounce, down. So, and keeping that bounce really nice and soft. Bounce, down, bounce, down. Give that a try and see if that works for you. You could also just do a full down strum and just be thinking soft, loud, soft, loud, soft, loud, soft. And I have to move with it. Another easy strum is doing a 2-beat strum, but giving it a little bit more country flavor, so it's either called a cowboy strum or a bum ditty. It's using that bounce on beats 1 and 3, and you go bounce, down, a bounce, down, a bounce, down, a bounce. That is a great strum to use, but if you're more advanced and you want to get some of that, south of the border flavor that Strait has in his performances, you might try this much more advanced strumming pattern. To do a more advanced strum, we are going to do 8-beat strumming pattern, and the first 4 beats is going to be the bum ditty. Bum ditty, bum ditty. So 2 bum ditties for 4 beats. And then we're going to do an island strum, but we are going to fancify it. We are going to take a pick G, or just bounce on the G strum. You don't have to pick it with your thumb. You can do it with your index finger. I've got a low G, so I like to do it with my thumb. I pick my G, and then I move my hand up above the strings like this. See it? And so that my pinky is positioned above, and then roll my fingers down all the strings, and then finish off the island strum. So it sounds like this. Putting it all together, it sounds like this. Bum, diddy, pick, roll up, down, a bum, diddy, pick, roll up, down, up. Let's just do a quick little practice session on a verse incorporating that more advanced strum. 1, 2, here we go. Bum, diddy, pick, roll up, down, a bum, diddy, pick, roll up, down, a bum, diddy, pick, roll up, down, a bum, diddy, pick, roll up, down, up. So have fun with that. I don't expect that you can just pick it up like that. You're going to use your words to help you. Take your time, be patient with yourself, and you can do a more advanced strum. I know you can. I think the D chord is actually a pretty hard chord. I know sometimes I have clunker sounds on my Ds, and it's like, whoa, at my age, right? So getting your fingers really well seated for your D and then not hitting that A string is quite the trick. If you're finding that this is challenging and you're fairly new in your ukulele game, you might consider fingering it a different way. You could finger it using this index finger to take care of both the G and the C string, and then put your middle finger on the E string. So 2 fingers instead of 3. I kind of wish I had learned it that way. Another way is you can use your index finger on the C string, reach across with your middle finger to the G string, and then tuck your ring finger in on the E string. That works very well for some of my students, so you have some options. And the other thing is just put your ears on and listen. Are you getting a good seat with your D? Maybe play around with it, checking your hand position just to see, you know, are there things you could do that make that D sound better? On to the D7. You could play an easy D7, but I don't think it sounds that great with this song. Some songs it does sound great, but not with this song. You're always going to the D7 from a D. So my recommendation is you're playing your D and then use your pinky on the 3rd fret of the C string. Getting that high little C coming out really leads the sound of the chord into the next phrase. So that's why I recommend that using this fingering of the D7. I know that people have weak pinkies. So yes, this may be very hard. And then the other thing is you tend to lock up this knuckle here. But give it a try. Try to keep your fingers super curved. I'm doing so you can really see that super curved. That will give you the strength that you need and your future self. Thank you. Let's do a little practice session with just the chords. We'll do the verse first. You're going to need to do 2 bum diddy patterns per each chord, except when they're in yellow. That D and D7 down at the bottom, the D gets just 1 bum diddy, D7 diddy. So 1 bum diddy pattern per to equal 4 beats. 1, 2, here we go. D. D again, and D. And A. A. And A again. A last time, and D. And D, and D, and a D. D, and A. Let's start our chorus practice session with a running leap from the verse. We're going to do the D down up D7 from the verse going into the G of the chorus. So here we go. 1, 2, here we go. D, D7 and G. G again and D. D and an A. A and a D. D7 and G. G again and D. D and an A. A and a D. D again. And it goes into a D for the verse. I hope that you're appreciating free content here on YouTube, and it would be a massive help if you gave this video a like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Leave me a comment down below. I do read all my comments and I respond to them, although it does take me some time. All right, before we get into the meat of the play along, I've got a singing tip for you. The G, dot, 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 and twirl, and G, dot, 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 hold. Those are a little tricky singing, because what you have to do is you do the first half of the 2 bum ditties, so 1 bum ditty pattern, G, diddy, twirl you all around the floor. So you have to be patient with your singing and come in on the 2nd bum ditty or beat 3. Our starting vocal pitch is a D, second fret of the C string line. 1, 2, here we go. I don't wanna be the kind to hesitate, be too shy, wait too late. I don't care what they say other lovers do, I just wanna dance with you. Got a feeling that you have a heart like mine, so let it show, let it shine. If we have a chance to make one heart of two, then I just wanna dance with you. I wanna dance with you, twirl you all around the floor. That's what they invented dancing for. I just wanna dance with you. I wanna dance with you. Hold you in my arms once more. That's what they invented dancing for. I just wanna dance with you. I caught you looking at me when I looked at you. Yes, I did. Ain't that true? You won't get embarrassed by the things I do. I just wanna dance with you. All the boys are playing softly and the girls are too. So am I, and so are you. If this was a movie, we'd be right on cue. I just wanna dance with you. I wanna dance with you. Twirl you all around the floor. That's what they invented dancing for. I just wanna dance with you. I wanna dance with you. Hold you in my arms once more. That's what they invented dancing for. I just wanna dance with you. I just wanna dance with you. I just wanna dance with you. Hey, I hope you enjoy playing this song. It is just so sweet and cute. Another John Prine song that I have in my library is pretty touching. So Angel from Montgomery, that was another great patron request. Please help keep free content free on YouTube. If you've got $3 a month to spend, please support this channel through Patreon. I could not do this job without you patrons. Thank you so very, very much. Check out some of these other videos that I have for you, and I hope to see you in the next video.